If you're looking for where you can download high quality Nigerian mockups and African images, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and without wasting much of our time, let's jump right into it. Most of the sites you guys use are actually Pinterest when it comes to Nigerian images. Well, this is time for you to try out a new site which is called Retna. The link to the site is actually in the description below, so do click on that and follow me in this tutorial. So this is the home page right here right now, where you can see images that are being uploaded. But before we get here, let's create our own account. So the link to that is in the description. The link to Retna is in the description. You can just click on the link and then sign up. But in case you want to follow me, just click on Retna, sign up. Just click on that on your Chrome browser, and then once click on the first option here. And here's what you should take note of. So actually, I will just walk you through the process since I'm already signed in. So you can actually, this is the front page here, and you can actually see what you want to use Retna for. You can click on, I want to contribute, I want to download images, and I want to download and contribute. So once you click on that, you'll be able to upload your own images to Retna. So I'll actually you can fill yours right now in this blank area, but I'll just sign in with my own email. So once you sign in with your own email, you get access to the home page, which is like this. So for this area, they upload high quality African images. This is where you can get some of the best images. So this and once again, this video is actually not a sponsored video, so but you guys just stick with me and I'll show you guys how you can download high quality images right here on this site. So the first thing here is you can either scroll down from the suggestion Retna is actually giving you, from this first option that is at the top here, where you can see all the images marked inside the circle. So you can actually once you click on a particular image from this top area here, you get options to more of those images. So you can also scroll down and then click on you can see right here, view all photos. So I'll just click on explore and let it give me more options. So you can actually just so you know, I've not inputted the prompt, so I'm just using the suggestion right here that Retna is actually giving me. You can actually go ahead and input your prompt. So the prompt I use right here is black man smiling. So this is what it actually brought out. So like I said, this is a new site, so it's all about it. You might not get enough images, particularly because the images are still being uploaded. But there's a way you can actually tweak your keyword to give you exactly what you want. So you just do that. And now let's go to the favorite part, which I actually love in this site. So in order to go back to your home page, you just click on the top left here on the Retna logo, and once you click on that, to take you to the home page, which is here once again. And if when you're signing up, you clicked on I want to download images and I want to contribute, you'll be able to contribute images. For example, this one right here is Nakristo. So you can see Nakristo he has contributed to this site. You can see images right here. So you'll be able to do that if only by clicking on your profile, which is here. So once you click on your profile, you'll be able to upload images to this site by clicking on the icon here. But like I said, mine is just a single account. But if yours was that, you can contribute to Retna. So I'll click on the Retna logo again to go to the home page, and now let's go to the interesting part, which I actually love more in this Retna site. So I'll just click. If you can look down here at the down area here, you see where it's actually filtered photos and mockups. So you can just click on mockups, and this is where you get the best. Honestly speaking, the mockups on this site are really nice, and I'll be honest with you, they're very nice. So you can see some nice mockup, especially banner mockups, poster mockups, which you can actually use for your next design project. So I'm just scrolling down real quick to view out some of these nice and amazing mockups which we can actually find on this site. So this is actually nice. You can even see the bus area, and honestly speaking, the mockups in this area are pretty nice. And they even have the bus mockup here, which is right here. So you can actually check that out. Just depend on what you want. Let me just click on this real quick, and you can see this is nice. This is nice. And now to download that, you click on the download icon right here, and once you click on that, you can see. Take a look at the down area here. You can see it's processing. So it depends on your internet speed. That is how fast it will be. So once you click on a particular mockup, it will immediately click on that to load, process, and then you'll be able to download that particular mockup. As soon as your mockup has finished processing, you get a download option like this. So all you need to do is to just download that to your gallery, but I'm not downloading that right now. So once you've downloaded that, you can actually tweet about this, that you just downloaded the mockup from Retna. Since it's just to share how your experience was on this platform. So like I said, in order to there are more and more mockups here. All you need to do is just scroll down till you're done with the first option, click on load more, and then you wait for it to do its work. You just keep on scrolling till you get access to more and more. Wow, this is actually nice. You get access to more and more mockups. So guys, do well to check the site out. The site is really nice to download nice mockups and to download high quality images. Once again, the link is in the description and the comment section. So do well to just check that out, and I hope you try out this site today. So if you found value, share this video to someone that's actually works on brand identity project a lot, or banner design a lot, so you can try out this site. And if you found value, give this video a thumbs up, comment your favorite mockup or what you actually like about this site in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.